your best investment is in yourself. Meaning to
Yes.
say, being able to invest in your skills kasi that's something na hindi mananakaw sa'yo is a big thing. So for high level naman kasi, there's two options eh. Either you invest in the platform or you invest in the actual course. And when you do invest in the actual course, you get the platform na din. So why not just get the course? Kasama na rin naman yung practice account that you can really apply kung ano yung natutunan mo from the course itself. And I think for me, ano siya eh, like, hindi that, parang for me, yung biggest, I wanna say this kasi ito yung parang pinaka-favorite quote ko eh.
Mhm.
Parang, my biggest quote is, in life is, I would rather do things than regret it later on.
Mhm.
Just because natakot ka na mag-invest on yourself or on your skill, hindi ka na nag-invest
Mhm.
ng, alam mo yon, ng time or
Mm.
maybe ng money. Kasi everything ngayon is kailangan talagang pag-investan mo eh.
Mm.
Right? Kasi there are a lot of people na kumukuha ng free, tapos ang tendency nun kapag free, sineset aside lang naman nila. Other than kapag alam nilang nag-invest sila ng time and then ng money, mas nag-i-invest sila ng time to really learn.
Mhm.
Lalo kapag subscription-based, right? Yun din yung kagandahan pag subscription-based kasi they know that there's a time eh, specific time na, ay, kailangan matapos ko to. Unlike kapag lifetime, parang they get to decide kung kailan nila kukunin yun.
That's so interesting. Aside from high level na certification, and then yung sa inyo rin, and FH Jones rin has its own certification programs. I wanted to learn din from you, no, ano naman yung take mo when it comes to certification, saan pa to pwedeng makuha, and paano makakatulong, no, para sa ating mga raketero at raketera.
Big factor siya, especially for international clients, especially for those na ine-explore yung digital jobs. Kasi imagine, you will be working with international clients and the only way for them to verify kung, alam mo
Legit
yun,
ka.
kung legit ka ba or
Oo.
you really know what you're doing is to show them that you know what you're doing, and that's through the certification. Kagaya nung sa amin sa high level, parang specifically, meron ding directory that they can verify yung badge mo.
Mm.
So meaning to say, if they don't see that badge, they know na hindi mo talaga alam yung platform itself. So
Right.
it's a big thing for credibility, integrity, and syempre yung ano na rin, way na to show them na kaya mong i-implement what you said you will. Kasi ang karamihan ng client ngayon, ano na sila eh, ano na rin sila, parang off na din sila kapag
Oo.
wala silang nakikitang credentials from
Mm.
you. Kumbaga, medyo mas ano na rin sila, critical na rin sila in
Hesitant
really,
na sila
oo,
na
malaki rin
basta-basta
hesitation
mag-hire.
kasi they have hired a lot of people before na wala talagang skills, pero
May mga
sinabi na
fake
meron.
na credentials.
Yeah,
Oo.
may mga fake na credentials. So, it's a big thing. Lalo ngayon, lalo nga yung generation na to.
Saka if I may add lang, lalo na pag mga international clients, no, mas gusto nilang Pinoy yung nakakatrabaho nila.
Yes.
Most of the time,
Absolutely.
nire-request pa yan. Ako,
Oo.
may mga friends ako talaga na mga, for example, mga VA.
Mm-mm.
Parang malaking factor daw sa kanila, sa kliyente nila, pag sinabi kagad na Pinoy sila.
Yes.
Kasi alam nilang grabe magtrabaho,
Trabaho,
talagang hustler, talagang
true.
gagawin lahat. Saka lalo na sa generation ngayon, di ba, yung mga bagets nga, talagang naghahanap ng mga online jobs.
And very creative naman, no?
Mm.
Tayong mga Pinoy.
Mm-mm.
Talagang iba talaga tayo magtrabaho. Ngayon, we wanted to know naman, no? Ano naman yung parang masasabi mo na asset mo ng High Level Pilipinas in terms of financial and other support na meron kayo, no? Recently, we had an event that
Yes.
was attended by more than 1,000 freelancers and agency owners. Ayan. So, can you tell us more about the assets, no? Na masasabi mong proud kayo sa High Level Pilipinas?
So in a span of like less than a year, so far sobrang dami ng achievement ng community, and more than just being recognized locally, we were recognized in the US as well. So
Yes.
recently we got awarded as Gold SaaSpreneur sa Dallas. And then etong today lang, I also got informed na we got the highest recognition sa US din, which is a Diamond SaaSpreneur Awardee. So for me, ano man, more than the trophies, no, I think it's also the many lives that were changed because of the community. So I mean, in the span of that, alam mo yun, short time lang talaga, sobrang dami nang na-achieve ng community. And yan, we did like 2 events. Yung first one is the 520 plus attendees, and then this very recent one, which is our anniversary, reached over 1,200 people in one event lang. Assets, I think right now, we were also able to employ more people sa admin team. So medyo nag-grow na din yung admin team. We are able to provide them financially, which is the biggest thing for me. Kasi nung una, volunteer lang eh. But ngayon, meron na silang profit.
Nabitin ka ba? Para sa iba pang praktikal at diskarte finance tips, follow and subscribe sa Para-Paraan with Salmon on YouTube, Spotify, and other socials.